I'm Sherry Keller, and my husband and I started this company because we were looking for a fair trade or ethical manufacturer to work with. And over the years of working in Jaipur, we decided we'd like to do it ourselves and really know the people who we're working with and who were working for us, and just know from the inside out how everything was done, so that that human factor came first. We've been working with block printers for years out in Bugru, but we recently opened our own block printing unit for more experimental and a little bit more Western designs, or East-West mix of designs, more modern designs. And so we do a range of block prints, and we design our own block prints. We have a textile designing program here. The printing styles are a range of floral and geometric prints. We do some kind of avant-garde prints where we just take blocks from different prints and stamp them to give a layered effect, and more experimental prints. Our color palette is kind of a mix of East and West, so working for the Western export markets, but also having a little bit of a more colorful flair of India, because we also want to send a positive message about where the manufacturing is happening, which is India, and telling the story of how it happens. So when it's a block printed fabric, we love if people know what kind of block print, what the process is, how it happened. We love for people to actually see the photos and hear the whole story about that. Sustainability for us is both environmental and the human factor and economic. So we're looking at sustainability not just in terms of having an organic certification on fabric, but we're looking at it as a whole picture. So that we've got the human factor here, which means how people make a living. And so we want to make sure that they're full-time salaried and that they have stability for their families, for their lives. That's a really important aspect of life for us and what sustainability is. And taking care of people doing traditional crafts is also part of sustainability, because it's something that gives more jobs to more people in this environment. It reduces pollution, it promotes handicrafts that have a huge knowledge base traditionally. And so again, back to sustainability, it's rooted in what is really on the ground here in Jaipur, rather than putting up big factories where it's not something that grew up naturally as part of this environment. So we're looking at the whole picture with the human and economic and environmental parts of sustainability.